Hello students, today we are going to look into this particular problem of solving simultaneous equations using matrices. Now look at this particular equation. 2x minus y is equal to 4. The second one is 3x plus 2y is equal to 13. Now we can solve this equation using many other methods, but now we are trying to attempt to solve it using matrix method. Now first of all, we'll write this in the form of a matrix. So just watch carefully how I am writing this in matrix form. I'm taking the coefficients of the x and y. So it becomes 2. Now this is minus 1 here. So I'll take minus 1. I'll take this 3 and 2. Put it into a matrix form. Now I'm putting x, y here. Now I'll explain as why I am putting it in this form is equal to 4, 13. Now this on the right hand side forms here. Now watch carefully. This can be written as using matrix multiplication. It becomes 2x minus y is equal to 4. So the same equation will be formed. Now using matrix multiplication, 3x plus y plus 2y, 3x plus 2y is equal to 13. So the same equation is written in matrix form like this. Now consider this is in the form like ax equals b. I'm doing some transformations here. Now I'm multiplying the entire equation using A inverse. Consider this is equation 1. Now multiply equation 1 with A inverse. Now what happens when you multiply with A inverse? A into A inverse x is equal to A inverse b. Now left hand side I am multiplying with A inverse, right hand side I am multiplying with A inverse. Now we know that A into A inverse is identity matrix. So Ix is equal to A inverse b. No, I is identity matrix, you can just avoid it. So x is equal to A inverse b. Now we are trying to find out x and y. That is why we are solving this. We are solving this for x and y. So we can just write it like this. Now x means xy. So xy is equal to A inverse b. If we find A inverse first and then we multiply it with b, we will get x and y. So we'll try to solve that. Finding A inverse. So step 1 is finding the minor of A. So we have the matrix A as 2 minus 1 3 2. M11 is equal to, you have to delete the row and column, you get 2. M12 is this. Delete the row and column, what is remaining is 3. M12. M13 is this. So delete the row and column, you get minus 1. M14 is this. So delete the row and column, what is remaining is 3. Now minor matrix. So minor matrix is equal to 2 3 minus 1 3. Now we have to find the cofactor of A is equal to, use the formula plus minus minus plus. So when you apply this into this, it becomes 2 becomes plus and 3 becomes minus 3. Now this minus 1, there is a minus sign again here. So minus into minus, minus of minus, it becomes plus 1. There is a plus 3 here, put it plus 3 like that. So this is the cofactor matrix of A. Now what you have to find next is, you have to find the, after finding the cofactor, you have to find the adjoint. Now how you find the adjoint? You find the transpose. So adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to, you find the transpose of A. So it becomes 2, 1, 2 minus 3, 1, 2. Now you're making the row into a column that you find adjoint. Adjoint of A is equal to cofactor A whole transpose. When you find the transpose, you get the matrix like this. Next, what you have to find is, you have to find the determinant of A. Now, determinant of A is equal to, now you know what is a matrix A. Matrix A is 2 minus 1, 3, 2. So determinant of 2 minus 1, 3, 2 is equal to 2 into 2 minus of minus 1 into 3. 4 minus minus 3. So minus of minus, it becomes plus. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So determinant A is equal to 7. So we know that A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into edge A. So what is edge A? Adjoint of A is 2, 1, 3, 2. So it becomes 1 by 7 into 2, 1 minus 3 plus 2. So now we know that X is equal to A inverse B. Now in the previous solve this, when we are doing this, we know that X is equal to A inverse B, whereas X stands for X and Y. Capital X stands for X and Y. So we'll solve for, we'll put it like this, xy is equal to A inverse B. Now what is A inverse? From here I am just substituting this here, 1, 7, 2, 1 minus 3, 2. What is B? B is the equation. What is the equation B? B is this, 4, 13. So I am putting 4, 13. Now we do the normal matrix multiplication. 4 into 2 plus 13 into 1. That is the first row into first column. Then you do the second row into first column. Minus 3 into 4 plus 13 into 2. When you multiply this, you get 4 into 2, 8. 13 into 1 is 13. When you do this, 4 3s are 12. That is minus 12 plus 13 into 2 is 16. So 1 by 7 into 21 by 14. Now do this division here. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Now this gives us the final result. Here we know that X is equal to 3 and Y is equal to 2. Now we'll do a small check here. X is equal to 3 minus Y is equal to 2. 3 into 2 is X is equal to 3. Now we'll try to do mental multiplication. So we know that 3 into 2 minus 2 minus 2, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So hence we understood that the values of X and Y is X is equal to 3 and Y is equal to 2. So this is our final solution. I hope you understood how to solve a simultaneous equation using matrices. Thank you very much.